Alfa Romeo, one of the most iconic car brands in the world. If you've ever dreamed of owning one, you've probably heard all kinds of opinions. Some say they're unreliable, while others swear by their performance and charm. But what's the truth? Are they worth the investment? Based on my personal experience, I'll break down everything you need to know about owning an Alfa Romeo. From the best models to the major pitfalls, this is your ultimate guide. Top Alfa Romeo models to consider. If you're in the market for an Alfa Romeo, these are some of the best options to look at. Alfa 159, a solid choice with great design and engineering. Alfa 156, one of the best classic models, offering both style and reliability. Alfa 4C, a stunning sports car for those who want performance and uniqueness. Giulia, a modern Alfa with German-level build quality and thrilling driving dynamics. Stelvio, a high-performance SUV that brings Italian flair to the segment. The newer the Alfa, the better the engineering. If you're looking for the best balance of reliability and fun, the last-generation Alfa 156 or the Alfa 159 are excellent choices. Newer models have also improved significantly. The reliability factor. One of the biggest concerns about Alfa Romeos is reliability. The real turning point came in 2006. After this year, Alfa Romeo improved its build quality and electronics to near German levels. While small issues may arise, they're rarely catastrophic. Regular servicing will keep these cars running smoothly. Engineering and maintenance. Contrary to popular belief, modern Alfa Romeos are not overly complex to maintain. If you're comfortable with standard tools like sockets, spanners, and Allen keys, basic maintenance isn't too challenging. Here's what you need to know. Routine maintenance. Oil changes, brake pad replacements, and fluid top-ups are straightforward. Common issues. Some minor quirks exist, such as sensitive brake light circuits and occasional fuel gauge errors. However, these can be easily managed. Cooling system maintenance. Using K-Seal treatment annually helps prevent head gasket damage. Oil additives. Using MBL8 molybdenum copper additive every third oil change keeps the engine running smoothly. Major pitfalls to avoid. 1. Never buy an Alfa with Celespeed transmission. This is the single most important rule. The Celespeed automated manual transmission is notorious for its high failure rate and insanely expensive repairs. Even though it's based on Ferrari's system, it doesn't hold up well in an Alfa. If you're buying an Alfa, get a manual transmission. It's the best way to enjoy the driving experience and avoid costly issues. 2. Owning an Alfa requires care and attention. Unlike a Toyota or Honda, an Alfa Romeo demands regular checkups. Owning one means checking the oil and coolant levels frequently, inspecting for minor issues and addressing them early, cleaning and maintaining it regularly to keep it in top shape. If you're willing to stay on top of maintenance, an Alfa Romeo can be surprisingly affordable and reliable. Thanks to online communities, you can always find guidance and solutions for any problems. 3rd, timing belt changes on V6 models. One of the most crucial maintenance tasks for V6 Alfa Romeos is the cam belt replacement. This needs to be done every 100,000 kilometers, but it's a necessary investment to keep the engine running properly. In New Zealand, this costs around $1,200, but you can often find better deals. If you're looking for a lower maintenance option, the Alfa 159 2.2-liter engine is a great choice. It has a cam chain instead of a cam bolt, meaning less frequent servicing, usually every 250,000 kilometers. Why Alfa Romeos are special. To truly appreciate Alfa Romeo, you need to understand its heritage. The brand is a contemporary of Mercedes-Benz, Ferrari, Bentley, and Rolls-Royce. However, unlike these luxury brands, Alfa Romeo offers affordable high-performance cars. The Mito and Giulietta provide a luxury experience at a reasonable price. The Giulia Quadrifoglio is essentially a Ferrari-powered sports sedan. The Stelvio SUV, while not my personal favorite, competes with high-end European SUVs. Alfa Romeos are also rare. Most models are not mass-produced, making them unique compared to mainstream cars. They offer luxury, style, and performance at a fraction of the cost of their German counterparts. So, is owning an Alfa Romeo worth it? Absolutely, if you know what you're getting into. If you're passionate about cars and willing to put in a little effort, an Alfa Romeo can be one of the most rewarding vehicles to own. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.
Have you ever wondered what powers those iconic Ford vehicles, making them roar down the streets with power and reliability? Well, today, we're diving deep into the engine bays of Ford's most legendary creations. From the groundbreaking flathead V8 to the modern marvels like the 5.0 Coyote, Ford has a rich history of engineering excellence. So buckle up as we explore the top 10 most reliable Ford engines that have left an indelible mark on automotive history. Number 10, 289 Small Block V8. The 289 Small Block V8 holds a special place in automotive history as the powerhouse behind the legendary Ford Mustang. Introduced in the early 1960s, this compact yet potent engine was designed to deliver impressive performance without sacrificing efficiency. With a displacement of 4.7 liters, it became the perfect match for the Mustang when it debuted in 1964, providing the perfect balance of power and agility. What truly set the 289 apart was its versatility, serving as the foundation for several iconic iterations, including the high-performance Hippo 289 and the race-ready version found in the Shelby G350. Despite being in production for 5 years, Ford continues to offer parts and aftermarket components for this reliable and beloved engine, ensuring that its legacy lives on for generations to come. Number 9. Voodoo V8. The Voodoo V8 represents the pinnacle of Ford's performance engineering, specifically crafted for the Shelby GT350 and GT350R. What sets the Voodoo apart is its meticulous attention to detail, with Ford's SVT team drawing inspiration from the Coyote V8 architecture while pushing the boundaries of innovation. Featuring a flat plane crankshaft, high flow heads, forged pistons, and a robust exhaust system, the Voodoo V8 delivers a staggering 526 horsepower and an 8,250 RPM redline, making it one of the most advanced and reliable engines in Ford's arsenal. Its exceptional performance on the track and its reliability have earned it accolades from enthusiasts and critics alike, solidifying its status as a true engineering marvel. Number 8. EcoBoost Family. Ford's EcoBoost engine family represents a revolution in automotive engineering, offering a diverse range of powertrains tailored to modern driving needs. From the compact 1.0-liter 3-cylinder engine to the potent 3.5-liter V6, EcoBoost engines deliver impressive performance while prioritizing fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. While the first generation faced some teething issues, Ford addressed these concerns with the refined second generation, resulting in some of the most reliable engines on the market today. Whether powering a compact sedan or a full-size pickup truck, EcoBoost engines have earned a reputation for their reliability, durability, and performance, solidifying Ford's position as a leader in engine innovation. Number 7. Boss 429. The Boss 429 stands as a testament to Ford's relentless pursuit of performance excellence, conceived as a pure racing engine for NASCAR domination. Featuring semi-Hemi combustion chambers and a wider design than other Ford big blocks, the Boss 429 was built to deliver unmatched power and torque. While officially rated at 375 horsepower, enthusiasts believe it could produce well over 500 horses, making it a force to be reckoned with on the track. Ford utilized this legendary engine in the iconic 1969 Mustang, as well as homologation editions of the Torino Talladega and Mercury Cyclone, cementing its status as a highly desirable and collectible engine among enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 6. 428 Cobra Jet. The 428 Cobra Jet represents a triumph of engineering, designed to take on the best that Chevrolet, Pontiac, and Mopar had to offer in the muscle car wars of the late 1960s. With its 7.0-liter displacement and underrated power output, the Cobra Jet was a force to be reckoned with on both the street and the strip. Ford's claim of 335 horsepower belied the engine's true potential, with many enthusiasts believing it could produce upwards of 400 to 450 horses. Whether tearing up the drag strip or dominating the stock car championships, the 428 Cobra Jet left an indelible mark on automotive history, solidifying its place as one of Ford's most iconic and revered engines. Number 5. Flathead V8. The Flathead V8 deserves a closer look as it was a true game-changer in the automotive industry. Emerging in the 1930s, it marked Ford's transition into mass-produced V8 engines, setting the standard for power and performance. Initially producing 65 horsepower, it was a marvel of engineering for its time. Over its two-decade production span, power output nearly doubled, reaching 125 horsepower. What made the Flathead V8 truly remarkable was its durability and tuning potential. Enthusiasts quickly discovered that with a few mechanical tweaks, they could significantly enhance its performance, making it a favorite among hot rodders and gearheads alike. Even today, the legacy of the Flathead V8 lives on in the hearts of automotive enthusiasts, with vintage models finding their way into custom builds and restoration projects. Number 4. 427 Big Block V8. The 427 Big Block V8 is the stuff of legends, renowned for its immense power and durability. Designed to dominate the motorsport scene in the 1960s, it was a bored-out version of the 390FA V8, featuring a high nickel-iron alloy block, forged crankshaft, solid lifters, and a side-oiling system. It was this combination of robust construction and high-performance components that propelled the iconic Ford GT40 to victory at the 1966 Le Mans, securing its place in automotive history. While it was rare to find on the streets due to its high production cost, the 427 Big Block V8 left an indelible mark on the racing world, showcasing Ford's engineering prowess and commitment to performance excellence. Number 3. Boss 302. The Boss 302 is a true testament to Ford's racing heritage, purpose-built for Trans Am competition. With its high-performance internals, including forged connecting rods, pop-up pistons, and an aggressive camshaft, it was a force to be reckoned with on the track. Its relatively modest output of 290 horsepower belied its true potential, as it proved to be a formidable contender in the fiercely competitive world of Trans Am racing. In 1970, the Boss 302 helped Ford clinch the championship title, cementing its place in motorsport history. Beyond its racing accolades, the Boss 302 also found success on the streets, offering enthusiasts a taste of track-inspired performance in a road-going package. Number 2. 5.0 EFI High Output. In the midst of the malaise era, Ford enthusiasts found solace in the 5.0 EFI High Output engine. Despite the challenging automotive landscape of the 1980s, this engine provided a glimmer of hope for performance enthusiasts. With its introduction of electronic fuel injection, EFI, the 5.0 EFI High Output, represented a significant leap forward in engine technology. Producing a respectable 225 horsepower, it breathed new life into Ford's lineup, offering a balance of power, efficiency, and reliability. Its proven technology and tuning potential made it a favorite among enthusiasts, who quickly discovered its ability to deliver impressive performance gains with aftermarket modifications. Alongside its Chevrolet counterpart, the 5.0 EFI High Output played a pivotal role in revitalizing American muscle cars, ensuring that the spirit of performance remained alive and well during a tumultuous period in automotive history. Number 1. 5.0 Coyote V8. The 5.0 Coyote V8 represents the pinnacle of modern Ford performance engineering. Introduced in the 2011 Mustang GT, it marked a departure from traditional pushrod configurations in favor of an overhead camshaft design. With features like twin independent variable camshaft timing, TiVCT, a lightweight aluminum block, and direct fuel injection, the Coyote V8 delivered a potent combination of power, efficiency, and durability. Its success in the Mustang lineup paved the way for its adoption in other Ford vehicles, including the F-150 pickup truck, where it continues to impress with its towing capacity and performance capabilities. Beyond its stock form, the Coyote V8 has become a favorite among aftermarket tuners, who have unlocked its true potential with performance upgrades and modifications. Whether tearing up the track or cruising the streets, 5.0 Coyote V8 remains a symbol of Ford's commitment to delivering uncompromising performance and driving excitement. And there you have it, folks, a journey through the heart and soul of Ford's most reliable engines. From the classics that laid the foundation to the cutting-edge power plants of today, these engines have shaped the automotive world in more ways than one. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.